comes the Las Vegas, the Las Vegas city. So I'm now entering this the biggest gambling city in the world, Las Vegas. Nothing. I'll show you the Las Vegas billboard. See that? $100,000 Las Vegas billboards. I think that's Bellagio, I believe. I'm here in Vegas on Tuesday morning, 4 o'clock. Here for 3 days, actually Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, for a business trip. Okay? MGM rewards. Alright guys, see you there. This is the Palm Resort Casino where I'm putting up for 2 days, Tuesday and Wednesday. Alright, you can see the palms. I think this vehicle is walking anyway. Alright, so that's the Palm Resort. And here we go. It's cool. Alright. It's a beautiful bar there. Casinos in a full swing, gambling, poker. Convention Center, Las Vegas, Soul Swing at Magic. I just came out from the show right now. It's almost like 6 o'clock on Tuesday evening. You see this, everybody is getting off, going back to the hotel, relax, chill, gambling, all kinds of stuff. Alright, my car is parked all the way over there. We gotta walk. And tomorrow I will go to West Hall. We'll take the Tesla Loop. That's another show there on that building, I believe. Right. The weather's not that bad. It's windy. It's supposed to be crazy hot, right? So windy and all right. Las Vegas Convention Center. Yeah, Las Vegas Convention Center, Sochi. That's the show. There's a lot of countries there: China, Bangladesh, Pakistan.
With LL, he said, "I'm gonna give you a pass. Come to the show." And we sat outside the booth of the show, and he introduced us to every single buyer.
Let's clap it up for helping black businesses, y'all. Come on.
It is. And it was a time.
Practice.
What's that?
When you kids have practice?
Every day.
What sport?
This one's soccer.
Awesome. He's a runner. How old is he?
He's 9.
Awesome. You love it?
Doesn't.
It's great to put him. Alright guys, here you go. Magic.
Thank you.
It'll keep you busy too.
Yeah. This, the loop. I came in the loop. I came in the loop. There is the Tesla loop, taking you to the west side of the magic show, and it really looks like, you know, what do you call it, technology driven, you know, era that we are in, and all the taxis are Tesla taxi in the loop. It's so cool. It looks like some kind of ride. I felt that kind of, you know, experience. As you can see, the Encore is there. Alright. And everywhere is Tesla. This is the Vegas, see that? The black Tesla, magic. The gold company looks like a Barbie gold company. But very similar theme. All kinds of things. Alright, see you guys. Alright, this is how it looks like. Very, very hip show. Magic show is considered as a very high class garment show. There are a lot of big companies like Levi's, Calvin Klein, what do you call this one, Guess. All kinds of big companies are here. This is why it's a very popular show in Vegas for 3 days. I'm at the West stall today on Wednesday, August 9. You see there's some kind of conference there, magic. You see the pink chair, see, very hype. You know, like it's very, maybe like Barbie movie kind of theme. I don't know exactly. Oh, it looks like a magic show. It's all a garment show. So many brands. All right, all kinds of brands. Sky to Moon, very cute, very nice. All right.